everyone! Welcome back to Lily Podcast English Learning Channel, where English feels real, easy, and natural. All right, let's go to classroom. Today, we're going to talk about something that's changing the future of learning English forever. Yes, I'm talking about artificial intelligence, or simply AI. You've probably seen apps and chatbots that claim to help you speak English better. But how does it actually work? And can AI really help you speak English like a real human? Stay with me till the end of this video, because by the time we finish, you'll not only understand how AI helps, you'll also learn how to use it the smart way for your own English journey. Part 1. The old way versus the new way. So let's start from the beginning. Before AI, learning English meant thick books, grammar rules, and hours of memorizing. You know the struggle, right? We used to read boring dialogues like, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." And that's it. No emotion, no real talk, no connection. But now, things have changed. AI tools like chatbots, speaking partners, and pronunciation checkers can talk to you like a real person. They can correct your mistakes instantly and even understand your accent and level. Imagine this. You speak a sentence, and AI tells you, your pronunciation of world was a little off. Try it again. And then you do. And it sounds perfect. That's the power of AI. Part 2. How AI understands you. Let's go a bit deeper. You might be wondering, how does AI even understand English? Well, it listens to how you talk. It analyzes your grammar, your speed, your accent, and gives feedback in real time. For example, if you say, "He go to school every day," the AI instantly knows you should say, "He goes to school every day." It's like having a private English teacher who never gets tired, never judges you, and is always ready to help. Isn't that amazing? Part 3. Best ways to use AI. Now let's talk about how you can actually use AI for learning English. Number 1. Practice speaking every day. Use an AI chatbot to talk about your day, your job, or your dreams. Don't just type, speak out loud. Number 2. Record your voice. Let the AI check your pronunciation and fluency. You'll be surprised how quickly you start sounding natural. Number 3. Learn vocabulary in context. AI apps can show you words you actually use, not random ones. So instead of memorizing 1,000 useless words, you'll learn the 100 that you really need. Number 4. Get motivation. Many AI apps use rewards, levels, and streaks, and that makes learning fun. It feels like playing a game instead of studying. Part 4. Real stories. I've seen learners who couldn't speak a single English sentence, but after using AI tools like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, or Youglish for just 3 months, they speak confidently. One of my students said, "I used to feel shy speaking English, but now I talk with my AI tutor every morning while having breakfast." And that's the secret. Consistency plus smart tools equals fast progress. But wait, AI isn't magic. If you just watch the app work, nothing happens. You must interact with it, speak, type, ask, learn. Don't depend on it completely. Remember, AI is your helper, not your replacement. Learn English faster, easier, and smarter. You know, sometimes we think English is hard, We feel shy, we forget words, we worry about mistakes. But here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Every time you talk to an AI tutor, every time you speak one new English sentence, you're growing, you're improving, and you're building the confidence that lasts forever. The best learners are not the smartest ones. They are the ones who never stop trying. So, if you ever feel tired, take a deep breath. Open your app, say a few words in English, and remember, this little moment is your progress. AI can guide you, but the real power is inside you. You are the one who speaks. You are the one who learns. And one day you'll look back and say, yes, I did it. So keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself, because your voice matters. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe so more learners like you can find hope and motivation. Thanks for being here, and remember, AI can teach you English, but only you can make it real. See you soon, my friend.